Okay, boys and girls, we're going to look at the DAX and why for the little hobbit from Hobbiton. And why? Because I spied something on Discord. I did. I saw it. Let's roll the intro and I'll show you. And a warm welcome to one and... What the feck is this?
It's coffee.
No, the mug.
What's wrong with it?
Well, where's my mug?
In the dishwasher.
I know, but this thing's like got a little hole at the top and a big fat ass. It's like one of them pear-shaped women that you just wouldn't shag.
It's called modern.
Eh?
And it's coffee. Actually, I've been thinking.
Oh no, here we go.
Well, you drink about 8 to 10 cups a day. Do you think we should switch to green tea?
I think you could...
Well, it might be healthy for you.
Look, all it's going to do is shave off the end, right? When I'm shitting myself in a nappy at the minute, I just shit myself through alcohol. All right?
Oh.
Sorry, let's
Keep
get
that
on.
thought to yourself.
I'm done for the week. We're getting excited because we're going on holiday soon. Right, Hobbiton. Him got me to do a big challenge the other day, and I absolutely pulled my hair out, which was no good because I haven't got much hair to start with, so I had to pull it from my nose. And he said it's his last trade on the DAX. Well, what happened to yesterday where you said you'd never trade it again? Yes, we're speaking to you. Did you say that where Hobbiton was sort of saying he'd never trade the DAX again?
No,
This was like the same time when he said he would never have a drink again. And then we went in the bar and he sort of drank it dry in as quick a time as he possibly could.
What's he doing then?
No, I think he's just saying he's...
He traded the DAX.
Well, no, it's just... I thought I'd stick my oar in, that was all. Anyway, boys and girls, sorry. All the freeloaders will have gone by now. Now we can get into the trade. We do that, you know. We ramble on a little bit just to get rid of them. Doesn't do me YouTube any good because you're supposed to hang on to them for the first 30 seconds. I'm trying to get rid of them. Anyway, I've scored it out for him. And I'll get onto this with my main strength sheet in just a second. There it is there. Now, the guys often chat and various other. When we're talking about strength, oops, sorry, get that out of the way. Talking about strength sheets, I put these in really early so they can see what's strong, what's weak, what's going to happen in the markets. That went in at 7:10, and it's followed up with a news announcement that was at 7:20. So you can see what's going on for the day. If you're any member will see that early release, then it goes public later on. What do we got? I'm struggling with the ATR. Okay, I'll get onto that soon. Okay, but well, I'll just quickly answer that actually. The ATR is just the daily movement of the chart. Mine shows 1.6. I'll come back to that. I'll do a video of itself for that one. Okay, so let's get onto this chart and see where we're up to before I start losing my brains. Okay, so we're looking at the DAX. I'm going to take it to scratch, and we're going to look at some testing points, key areas of Kylie, and work our way through this. Okay, so let me pull up my sheet first. Put it onto the summary so you can't see the engine and one thing and another. Pull that across. Okay. DAX. It's telling me the bigger picture is to buy. And it's telling me if I'm going into a trade, I should be buying this thing. The low time frames are neutral, but the +1, -1 multi-time frame has kicked in. And it's saying, okay, be careful with it, but you can still buy it. It's telling me to risky 12 pips. That's based on the ATR. Okay. So we come through into market. Is it ready? Well, let's count 5 candles back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top of that red one. Okay. Looks pretty okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop an order in top of that candle, just like what I've said. And we're going to set it for 12 pips. Bang. Right, we're in. So, What's this explaining? What are we looking at? We're looking at a 5-minute chart. This is a 5-minute chart, by the way. What are you looking at?
No.
Fucking cow.
Inspiration.
Every time, boys and girls, every time. Well, you're buying the hot dogs in bloody... Hold on a second. Where's my dinner?
Wait, yours?
That was a snack.
A snack?
I've got a shit cup, right? That isn't me proper one that I can't get me mouth in. You've got your crisps and everything, and I've got...
Oh, it's that nose of yours. Go on, try drinking out of it.
Sure.
Oh.
What's the matter with my nose anyway?
You get caught on the side.
Caught on the side. Anyway, she had the last laugh. I chatted her up once when we were 18, you know. And I did. She always denies it, but I'm telling you straight, I had her when I was 18. And she used to be quite quick-witted. And you know what happened? Yeah, I looked her straight in the eye and I said, "Do you want to sit on my face?" And she said, "Why? Is your nose bigger than your cock?"
That's not even good. Yeah, go on, drink your coffee, see if you can. Oh, look, your nose just touched the edge.
Just as well I like you. Anyway, we're going to cinema tomorrow. We're going to be children tomorrow. We're going to see Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. Right, let's get back to the chart. Right. Contrary to belief, I actually do this for a living, which is why I'm very relaxed at what I do. I know what I'm looking for. I know what I'm after. The sheet I've just shown you pretty much dictates what I'm going to be looking for. This is running into that trade right now as we speak. Hopefully it'll balance out. I could pull it out right now. Yeah. Do you like me when I pull it out?
Oh, you wallet. I'm already out.
What a fucking kill. See what I mean? I keep trying, boys and girls, but she's having none of it. Apparently we're too old for this now. So, drop this back over slightly. Why would you think this is moving up? Well, look, it's in a consolidation phase, pulling back on itself. And it's got plenty of room to pull back. Where will it pull back to? Well, there it is. The trade is now complete, so I'll just carry on doing this. It's another 60 quid in a couple of minutes. We have broken the 23, working to a 38. Even if this is a pullback, that is a safe trade, and then you put a safe target within it. Now, there were levels in one thing and another in place that I took off that made this certain. But the ultimate goal of this is probably here. And then you've got another area, which is here. So that hourly chart, just take that away, has created a trading arena. Now, this is the foundation of Kylie trading. You come back onto this. Now what can you see? You can see a strong directional drive, holding above this level, working its way to that level. So again, you can put the fib in. If it's going to retrace on itself, it will shorthand, which it's doing there. It's come down, held that 61, failed to go any lower, come back to the pivot point with gusto, which is the 50%, held above it significantly for quite a while, and then you just enter your trade based on the momentum that it's moving in, take it into 5 minutes, just like so. And as you can see, there's the break. Count the candles back as we did. Boom, boom, boom. Created an entry point. We already know through the rules. Holds above 50. It'll look to go to where it came from, which is here. But because you go in the downward motion, in other words, the bigger trend is down at the moment. You could see that in that big drop. And if this is a retracement, you just want to be a bit conservative. Careful. Sheet planned it all out for me. And I was probably right to pull it where I did. And that was that. So just let me make certain I've got no tickets left. No. Earlier on today, you saw me do exactly the same thing with that. So I've done 110 quid. Now, that 110 pounds, both of these trades were done in just a couple of minutes. The trick was waiting. So there you go. How's that then, Hobbiton? Are we going to trade the DAX again? Are we going to do something again, Hong Kong?
Yeah, you are me.
Why am I me? Can I explain why I'm me?
I'm always in trouble.
You're always in trouble. Right, I'm gonna lean over onto her side of the desk before we end this. And we're gonna see something. See how far my arm is reaching across? And look what's coming back. My wallet. As soon as she sees that, the first thing she does is she gets all excited, and I don't mean in a good way with a wide on. I mean her tongue just hangs out. Well, actually that's a good way as well. But no, she just gets all excited and steals it. Like you stole my heart. Can I have it back, please? I think Linda might be calling.
All right.
Yeah, she's a bit old now, but she's still got good assets. Right. We're going to see Beetlejuice tomorrow. Did I tell you we're going to see Beetlejuice?
Like a broken record.
We're like a broken record. Well, even a broken clock is correct twice a day. Okay.
I know where you got that from.
I know it's a very old thing, but I did watch it in a film. Actually, if you want to see a good film, watch a film called Fracture. It's really good. Okay, boys and girls, I really just did that for Finny. Keep trucking, kid. You're going to get there. And as always, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.